Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now today we're back on the Toshyna, Patterson and Saraya Powell murder case. What are you thinking? You talk about that again? Yes. We'll talk about it again. You can't don't know, you can't don't know. No, we're not done. Not done until people start doing them job. That's embarrassing. That's like how the case with Orville Moore is embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Like there's so much out there where you don't even need world-class investigators to see what's going on. Let me break this down for you. I'm showing you why. Like, this world-class investigation, where I conclude that Leoda Bradshaw is the sole mastermind, is laughable. Let me give you some more updates regarding the people who take the plea deal, get sentenced already. In this entire case, they are the two smallest fries. The two smallest fries, and people say a small fry, the two small fries them are who go down already. Roland Balfour, he not taking a plea deal. He's a major key in all of this. Roland Balfour is the cousin of Leoda Bradshaw. He's also a close associate of Philip Palwell. I talk about go yard, regular, go chill out, close. He's not some stranger to Palwell. Cause the way it's worded make it sound like, like Bradshaw just link our cousin and our cousin link somebody. Bradshaw and Balfour have the links to Palwell. That's why them two didn't plead guilty yet. If them two they ever plead guilty and start talk such man, could have collapsed, and it's not heat stroke or lick him down. So one of the youth them who confess to the murder, he was there. Remember, enough of them there. Enough people there. Even Bradshaw, let me say, cold piece of woman. The youth confessed to the murder. He was a part of the burning of the bodies process. But the person who actually, let's just say the main killer, still on road. Because I just skim over the news and I pick up on it yet. As I say, now, when I see the two people them plead guilty, I just know I start going down at the real PIA special ops. And I say, no, I can't even rely upon them. I say, come out of the media. Me go down in my source them now. I don't understand what I'm going. Because the media now dig out them to dig. And not ask for them to ask. What the fuck? See them on your screen. The investigators them hear this already. Say, the man them with them carry them to, the man them with them carry them go work out for the killing go take place. The killer there, the main killer, who them make sure care, because I say, yeah, man with help with this and help hold on one foot and help throw one foot over your son with the help put one tire. But enough man can't do the actual killing part. You see the killing part that you still road. See the pain screen? Yet to be apprehended before they start clapping her hand and say world-class investigation done and everything sorted out. Don't be so hasty. They don't even have the actual killer yet. Small fry go down. See man them have plead guilty. The weakest link. The youth that plead guilty. He must be protected at all costs. If we really want to see anything more come out of it, they might never get the full picture, but if we want more come out of this, that youth must be protected at all costs. They want to kill Toshyna and her baby. Balfour and Bradshaw and the youth, they plead guilty. They were all a part of the arranging to get them to the killer. Carry them go work at ill. Man them kill them. The killer knew what was going down, the full details, that's why kinda spooky say him still on the road. Because names are run a info again. Certain man still on the road. If for all we know, killer might be in a whole different country right now. If the investigators them get them hand on him, if you don't see him on the road, and nobody come, nobody kill him and then say, big still, shooter in Philip Powell's daughter case gets killed by police. Nobody clap on her hand and say, great job, a great job. Want him alive. Want him alive, and we want make sure say him get a whole heap of onion and lime. Cause talking need to go on. That youth, ball 4, if you truly want to crack this, the missing shooter, ball 4 or Bradshaw, I'm going to tell you how to go on. Now ball 4, I'm saying when you see, we then go for female lion, Bird Samuels them. Right, the link heavy. Man. Can't have him cracking up now. Man, I tell him, wall out boy, wall out. Man. Even if him turn witness, the case of them are weak because I must say anybody because ball 4, on the day it was supposed to happen, ball 4 pull card upon them. Or the phone them tying ball 4 and tying the youth. Plead guilty and tying Bradshaw. But guess who they never bring in and guess over phone? Right. No scrutiny. Such man. You see, the world-class investigators them should have bring in Philip Powell to unfilm phone. But we don't get down into that. We know so the links big already. You know when the links big, certain people can steer investigations away from you and away from certain things. You know, I don't have to call upon the special ops branch of the PIA. I just start to realize what's going on. The MP big links and political links and police links, man, are trying to steer things in the direction. Man. That's Leoda Bradshaw, sole mastermind. Same way, when he came on to Orville steer in the direction that him take him on alive. I don't know so. But one away, even people inside the JCF, even other investigators till they say, boy, me know you don't believe them forces there now. You could look into it now. You see, after Toshyna and the baby went missing, big hullabaloo go on now. Remember say Leoda Bradshaw, I go up on social media go make a post. I go put it on the screen. When you really have to read between the lines, it's supposed to have everything. Look a bit of truth, mix with a little bit of unicorn, mixed with a little bit of smoke screen, it have everything. I'm going to show you that even in that poster, she set it up in her way to mislead the public and carry on upon her wild goose chase. So we'll look on her statement. Now I'm already telling us that Toshyna and Philip Powell and Toshyna and the baby never have no relationship. Philip Powell did not check for either. That's why him come like the man Google pictures. When time they go missing, Philip Powell posted some pictures, right? Where Toshyna did like the man Google pictures of Toshyna. Telling about Iron Man, what if unwanted, hugless, loveless children, even the MPs them guilty of making them. That's why when you see an MP on TV, I tell you, say, I know because of what going on in the family, or because of the homes, it's because of the economy, and that's why we need the social intervention, because them can't even look on the factor of the whole of unwanted, hugless, loveless, putting them dash all about the place, because they're helping to make them the dysfunctional, fatherless, no love children, splash all about the place, grow up, become psychotic mass murderers many of the times. Your favorite MPs are making them. Lies in Iron Man, I'm going to tell about social intervention and tell about socioeconomics, because they are a part of the problem. Philip Powell, them and the thing, while and KlLAZ road. anything on 2 foot, you have to watch yourself. Ask about him. And yes, as I say, anything on 2 foot. And that's another day. So, no relationship. Even before me hear certain things, I figured that part out from me saw the man post. As me say, no man, now I'm a 10-month-old baby and draw for them picture there. And no man can't have a baby mother and a child, female child, missing what in business board and react or Philip Paul react initially. So I say, come let the man Google one picture. But the man page, the man take up the same picture with Toshyna post last stew that was she and the baby alone. Like the picture on the father. The same picture I'm draw final. See, you have to understand something. Only a few people around Toshyna knew Philip Paul was the father. That is why everybody was so surprised when they said Philip Paul baby go missing. They're like, Philip Paul baby? Philip Paul not a baby. You see, him have hitting what people know about, and you know him embrace as the family man and the politician, and then you have the pitting them with out the road. We know them pitting it after they get checked for. And by the way, if he was in them life, you know who would be reporting it and pushing the hardest to get them back him. Philip Paul did not report them missing. Matter of fact, he was silent until he couldn't be silent anymore. And when time you see Leoda Bradshaw own statements, you go see how things start to make sense that Toshyna was trying to get to Philip Paul via Leoda Bradshaw, and that is how Bradshaw could have lured Toshyna. Wait, the man just go and sit down on beverage. Just a warm up. This is why everybody was surprised when you said 10-month-old. Weren't you surprised? 10-month-old, baby mother. Even people who work close to you never know say, yeah, this baby. You see, if things went to plan, if the plan played out, because you might be wondering then, she thought she could get away with killing her baby father's pitney. Jamaica never know say it was her baby father's pitney, and if things did work out according to plan, they wouldn't. Jamaica never know that was Philip Paul's baby mother. If we never live in the social media era, this would have gone completely. They almost got away with it. It was a video that tied Bradshaw to the moment when time Toshyna get picked up. A video. See the pain screen? That is what tied her to it. Without that video, Bradshaw would have jumped back on a plane and gone to America. Right? And it would just be a 2-day story in the news and it done. Technology, eh? The plan fell apart. Now plan B come into effect. Listen to the statements. I will read it to you. I will read more side. My name is Leoda Bradshaw. I'm a federal officer. Start off big and bold. You know people love them title already. My name is Leoda Bradshaw. I'm a federal officer. Immediately planting in your mind, say, oh, kill this kerosene, this a federal officer. I have a daughter with Mr. Philip Paul. I'm in a long-term relationship. I wish to state categorically that I have nothing to do with the disappearance of Miss Toshyna Patterson and her baby girl. I said, we now know that's a complete lie. She said, the only interaction I ever had with Miss Patterson is through a brief Facebook exchange. I wish to share the sequence of events leading up to my exchange with Miss Patterson. Listen this, in May 2023, my 8-year-old daughter with Philip was sent explicit photos which were later followed by email threats and extortion attempts. Interesting. So the matter was reported to the FBI, National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, and the Broward County Sheriff's Department, Internet Crimes Against Children. They later reported the matter to the Jamaican authorities. So she said Philip Paul's other child which is fair child, was threatened. What is John Public going to think when them say this? No matter, she's trying to show Shannon for you. You're going to think, oh, there is somebody out there targeting Philip Powell's children. And Philip Powell. Remember, he had already, right, set the layup from the 4th, telling us that people are trying to get to him. So now when you go see this, you're going to say, hold on, somebody out to get Philip Powell. Gun gone missing. Right. Then just left gun in that car and gone. And then you say, him say they might try to start him and threaten to expose him. And then now somebody are threatening him other daughter. And now this daughter dead. We need to find who this person is out there. Smoke screen. By the way, why does... Right, she said the later was... Right, they later reported the matter to the Jamaican authorities. As in, all these big Uncle Sam organizations reported the matter to the Jamaican authorities. Why does one of Jamaica's longest serving MPs need foreign agencies to report a matter to Jamaican authorities? Why would Philip Powell need foreign authorities to report to Jamaican authorities about fame taking while get threatened? That's one phone call. The threats against her child continued for months as the authorities investigated. Again, she put it in your mind that my child is under threat because you already hear say him other child get killed. Now you think no man, somebody after Paul and you pick them. And we need to look at who after them. Smoke in mirrors. Listen to this now. She said on Sunday, September 3rd, an email was sent to the parliamentary group making threats that personal information on Philip would be released to the public. They also made damning threats against her child. Threats against her child. Everything is to give you the impression that children are in danger. She said, Sunday, September the 3rd. September the 4th, Philip Powell run to the news. No, I don't know why I'm run to the news. Somebody made the threat, the 3rd, say I get exposed. So the 4th, him run go to the papers. Now, things like get serious. No, him have to act. A long time, him like get warning, say I get exposed. So the 3rd, things get sent to parliamentary group. Say Powell get exposed. The 4th, him go to the papers. She then says, on Tuesday, September the 5th, I received an email from Jessica Dean, 568@gmail.com, advising me, she, quote unquote, she, has been trying to contact me for months on Facebook to inform me that Miss Patterson had a child with Philip. I spoke to Philip and he confirmed he had a brief relationship with Miss Patterson, and it is possible that the child was his, and he was not certain as a DNA test has not yet been done. Following my conversation with Philip, I searched my Facebook history and noticed in my spam chat that messages from an account with the name Jessica Dean, same as the email, who had the PNP logo as her profile photo. She said she had been trying to reach out to me since June. So this quote-unquote Jessica Dean person had tried to reach out to Leoda Bradshaw since June, according to her. They tell her, I say, Toshyna and Philip Powell have a pitney. She said this was the first time I was hearing about Miss Patterson and the child. Listen this part now. I also noticed that Miss Patterson had searched for my profile on LinkedIn 4 weeks ago and again 2 weeks before emails came. Quote unquote Jessica Dean, I try reach out to her. And she also said that Toshyna Patterson has been searching and searching for her. So this Jessica Dean person, I try tell her, say, Toshyna and Philip have a pitney. And it just so happened that Toshyna looked for her at the same time. So 2 people are hunting her, quote unquote Jessica Dean and Toshyna Patterson. To the extent where Toshyna go look for her on LinkedIn Do you know how much you have to hunt somebody? If you go up on LinkedIn, go look for them. She mentioned that part for a reason. This only for expo. No for the things that Philip Paul talk about. Them are going to expose me for this and them said them are going to do. He forgot to mention on the 4th. Don't you find it strange that on the 4th he forgot to mention that somebody said them are going to threaten? Right. You tell. So never next pitney. Don't you find it convenient that he just leaves out the fact that throughout the whole exposing thing, somebody exposed him our next child? He doesn't mention that. Not only that, on September the 4th, go and read the article, he does not mention that his daughter was getting threatened. That's the daughter with Leoda Bradshaw. Why would Philip Paul go into so much details, all start talk about Nigerian scammer and not mention saying Pitney get threatened? How would that get left out? That would be the first thing I say. Before me even talk about threats against me, I talk about the fact somebody threatened me Pitney. Me that talk about my Pitney getting threatened before me talk about the fact somebody try to expose me. He doesn't mention that. Because Bradshaw is throwing in the threats against their child as the smoke screen for showing to say somebody out there try to get to the Pitney then. Paulwell would have mentioned this to the observer. He did not. Come on, Mr. World-Class Investigator. The man chat everything except that. And also mention say them are going to expose to me about next Pitney. He doesn't mention that. How this was supposed to go down? Right. Leoda Bradshaw was supposed to fly in, then get rid of Toshyna and the baby, fly out back, and it would have just been another story of a dead mother and a baby. 2-day story. The camera will catch her, then I'm going to the vehicle. Right. Mash up the whole plan. And the people them will know say, them not going to link up. Mash up the whole plans. So now you see, the 3rd, somebody send something to the parliamentary group to make Paul know it's alright, a serious thing with the pan now, yeah, get exposed. The 4th, him run going at the papers. The 5th, she sent Patisna a message. Now read between the lines, no man. On Tuesday, September the 5th, I received an email from Jessica Dean advising me she has been trying to contact me for months on Facebook. Right. You follow that part? Leoda said she got search her Facebook history and noticed in her spam chat messages. Account name Jessica Dean. I try to reach out. She mentioned, say, she noticed Patterson, I searched for her. 4 weeks ago on LinkedIn and 2 weeks before the emails came. That's all innuendo. She's pointing you towards Toshyna. I don't know if it's deliberately or not, but she say Toshyna. Because on the 5th, remember? She said on the 5th, I received an email from Jessica Dean, and then she said on the 5th, I sent Miss Patterson a message advising her that Philip opened up to her about the involvement and the possibility that the child was his. Listen to this. I advised her that Philip and I would ensure the child is taken care of financially and a DNA test will be done to ensure that Philip was the father of the child. She told Toshyna, alright, you look for me. Right. We're going to give you financial help once the DNA do. Toshyna was looking for Leoda Bradshaw according to her own words, even gone up on LinkedIn. And she mentioned taken care of financially. Toshyna, more than likely was saying Philip Paul Pitney, he's my workless father and need to look after him Pitney. Leoda Bradshaw comforted her. Alright, no worry yourself. She said Philip and I, world-class investigator, should automatically bring Philip Paul into the conspiracy right there. So that means when investigations are going, film phone them after being in custody too. She go and go state that was the only time she ever interacted with her lie. I say camera catch her. Never spoken to her by phone, lie. Phone show everything. Phone record show all of that. Nor have I made any arrangements to meet with her. Lie. She mentioned any such reports in social media are lies and I'll be passed on to my lawyer, because you know that guy already. I'll threaten with them like, I'll sue you. So she share all information with the authorities. As can be seen, this is what she said. As can be seen from my exchanges in Patterson, there is no anger, but it's a genuine wish to see that an innocent child is taken care of and not caught up between two parents no longer in a relationship. Innocent child taken care of. We know for certain. And she take them up and carry them to the man and then kill them. Wicked girl this. High level kerosene stuff, higher than all the highest clansman kerosene. Dangerous piece of woman this. I will continue to pray for the safe return of Miss Patterson and her baby. It's one thing to do something like this, but then to be leading the prayers and the recovery, we hope and the... But they already tell them that the DNA part sounds spooky. She can't orchestrate that by herself. Philip Powell must involve in the DNA part. So she said, when she talked to Toshyna upon the 5th, she told her Philip and I would ensure the child is taken care of financially. Philip always said people that try to get money all the time and him wrote it like some kind of Nigerian scammer. Jessica Dean, quote unquote Jessica Dean. She mentioned 2 weeks before the email was Toshyna Patterson was looking for Leoda Bradshaw. She even followed her upon LinkedIn. She even go try to look for her upon LinkedIn. Toshyna was hunting her online. She wanted Paul to claim the child and help her with money. This is why Leoda had to fly down. I'm telling you, there's no need. If she does pay money to kill somebody, she don't have to fly down for that. But she had to fly down because she told her Philip and I was going to help you and do the DNA. Me I come down an Iron Man, we're going to do the DNA and everything will go good, girl. That's how she sweet her up. She told the girl we're going to start with the DNA and get the financial help you are seeking. Philip Powell should have been a part of the world-class investigation. Instead, they removed him right away. They quickly declare, oh, he's not a part of the investigation right now. And you just saw for yourself the person who helped kill her with no sense. The person who was a part of the program session. Philip discussed it and I'm going to help her. It wasn't some random it's not like, oh, them talk and then she block her and then the kidnapping, they communicated. She call her, them could have sleep on the day. Like the cell phone towers and they see them matter. They were in communication, Bradshaw and Toshyna. Back and forth, whole heap of calls. The investigators them know this. Go pick her up, them know this. It wasn't a kidnap like she go to go hold her and throw her back in the car. She told her, me I go help you. We go help. We go do the DNA. And then once it come out, everything good. You will get the help you need with the baby. She lured her out. But I try to tell her she lured her out. For herself. She was the sole mastermind. I already tell her if Toshyna thought for a second her baby was in danger. You want somebody can have a big argument on social media on the 5th. And then days later somebody just come down and say, hey, come on man, come in my car, and just gone so ain't no man fun away. And she was trying to get to Leoda because she thought as a woman Leoda would have helped her. Just, these things happen by the way now. One baby mother, right? I try to use the next baby mother to make the man come around. She's trying to get the man to come around. Right, and start their own at the picnic life and give money. So she appealed to one baby mother, next baby mother. You can't have the picnic. Some woman, right, will help shut out the baby mother, and some woman will help defend the other baby mother. There's some woman who can't comfortable knowing that them man are picnic road. Right. So, right, then you see you can't have the picnic mother suffer, you know. And you have some woman who I say make the picnic suffer. I'm not busy about it. If Toshyna thought Bradshaw was a threat, she would never get in on a vehicle with her. Think about the narrative we're going to paint. It's an ongoing narrative. Philip Powell and Philip Powell's children are in danger. In gun dust missing so. Bogus unicorn story don't even make sense. Him get threatened to be exposed. On the 4th, Philip Paulwell said nothing of his daughter being threatened when he talked to the Observer on the 4th. That would be an extraordinary oversight on his part. He would not miss that detail. This conspiracy is far and wide. As I said, the main people them don't even get locked up yet. And if Balfour and Bradshaw bust the case, which Iron Man is very possible, and even if they get a solid witness, still very possible. The user may go out on this case. That could be a 100% transparent right now. The user may go out on this case is because of Saraya Paulwell. Between Toshyna and Leoda Bradshaw and Philip Paulwell, I don't know what go on there some in the business. But the only person I know with 1000% surety is innocent in all of this is Saraya Paulwell. I don't know what go on between Toshyna, I don't know what she tell them. I don't know if she was the one that was threatening to do this and tell him that she want more. I don't know what I go on this, but I know Saraya Paulwell. Me know Saraya Paulwell not do nothing but ban. And she never asked to ban. So you can't go so. World class investigators. Man, don't make no big boss telling about. Focus on this and focus on that. People in the JCF, investigators, I know say a unicorn need. And then ask the question, so why such man now get bring in and phone get take and then you start here ask dead and cow fat. This is how YouTubers do. Working with the world class investigators. Anyway, Patient Squad, you go up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Culture Squad, see you circling. Bless.